Alright, hello everyone. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a severe weather briefing. So yes, go ahead and please subscribe. I'm sorry there's been none of these videos for a while. I'm trying to get back to it. Yeah, so we'll probably have some Roblox storm chasing videos out later. Maybe a few of them. Yeah, but right now we're just gonna be doing a little bit of a overview on the storms on radar scope. We currently have one in southern Virginia here by Lawrenceville. This looks like a pretty good storm, severe thunderstorm warning. That one up there looks good too. This one looks pretty good. Probably some pretty big hail in there. A little bit of rotation, I'd say, right there, but nothing too significant with that. That's our only severe thunderstorm warning right now. So, switch back over to side of that. Let's go here. Yeah, so let's switch back over here. This is my I have 4 forecasts here. I literally spent 2 hours on all these. It may not look like it, but I did because I kept wanting to. This is a pretty tricky forecast for all 4 of these ones that I've done. Like, well, 3, there's one small one, but yeah. This is my severe weather forecast for today. I have a slight risk out portions of Indiana, Illinois, Michigan, Ohio, West Virginia, Northern Kentucky, Virginia, and Pennsylvania. Tornado count of 4. I would say if I did have to put an enhanced risk in here, this area could be an enhanced risk right here. Is an enhanced risk on the SPC. Managers that didn't put an enhanced risk on this, I don't think it's going to be an enhanced risk event. But yeah. And I do have a marginal risk in northern Wisconsin, and I have a marginal risk all the way down to the southeast because there is some storms down there. And there's a 2 in the tornado con in central Mississippi and Alabama right there. Main threats today is large hail, 70-mile-per-hour winds, and a few tornadoes. As for today, this is my forecast for tomorrow. I have tornadoes. Wind speeds up to 80 miles per hour and large hail. Me and Andrew think that tomorrow could be a pretty big event. Some of the STP numbers are 13 in Arkansas. So tomorrow we'll have an update on this tomorrow morning. But we think tomorrow is going to be a pretty big event. Yeah, in large hail tomorrow too in that area. 5 in Arkansas, Mississippi. I have a 4 all the way over to Atlanta, 4 in Tennessee, 4 in Kentucky, 2 up to Illinois, 2 down southern West Virginia. Right there. Let's go to this is my Thursday forecast here. There is another severe weather risk Thursday. A little marginal risk in Texas with a 2 in the tornado con by Austin. And I also have a slight. That'll probably be upgraded to a slight in tomorrow's video. And I do have a slight in portions of Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina. I might go storm chasing also Thursday, so yeah. And I have a marginal risk going all the way up to New York City. Tornadoes, winds to 90 miles per hour in large hail. Thursday could be a bad day too. Some of the values in northern Georgia are pretty bad. A lot of PDS tornado hoodiographs. I have a PDS tornado hoodiograph at 15Z, which is 11. So yeah. And then a lot of these areas of PDS hoodiographs. Well, really Georgia and then Arkansas have some tomorrow in Mississippi. And yeah, then I also have a little forecast for Sunday here. This is kind of pretty far out. This is, I think, day 5. Yeah, day 5. Wait, no, this is day 6. Yeah, day 6. I have some tornadoes, damaging winds up to 70, small hail and flooding. This is going to be a Dixie Alley event, probably in the south. I just have a marginal risk out, kind of a broad area, because it's kind of hard to forecast this, because I'm looking at the GFS model to figure out where to place this. I have it in portions of Georgia up to Atlanta, in portions of Florida, portions of Mississippi and Alabama. And that marginal risk, we'll have an update on this tomorrow and where I think it'll be a little bit better by day 5. Yeah, that is it with my 4 forecasts. This took me 2 hours, but yeah. Start looking at this here. So this afternoon, we could have some storms. There's storms in Mississippi right there, but let's move back up to the north. I don't know why it's focused down there. We saw some storms in northern Wisconsin today, which is why I had a marginal out there. But you see, tonight we could see this line coming out of Michigan into northern Indiana and Ohio. That could be a pretty strong line. Okay. So yeah, we're trying to watch that, and there even could be some snow in the higher elevations in the northeast, and yeah, that could be pretty strong with a lot of damaging winds and maybe a few tornadoes, and I don't think the tornado potential is that great. But yeah, so we take a look at a sounding out there. It's request 162 degrees. This doesn't have the hoodiographs with this, it's right there. I can't show there's a PDS tornado because this one doesn't have that. Tomorrow afternoon, though, we see some supercells starting to fire up in Arkansas. Some of those could be tornadic, and it's a pretty big event. And then I think some of these storms in the east, that's why I have a slight risk on Thursday. Some of those storms could be pretty strong. It'll happen early in the day, though. Then I don't really care. All right. Yeah, we see those some more on Thursday, right there. We see some storms by Houston in that area. Let's take a look at the GFS model now. So yeah, we see these two areas Friday. We could see some more severe weather. Saturday we'll probably see some. Sunday afternoon though, okay, we could be seeing another snowstorm out here, but we will be seeing some pretty good potential severe weather across the south. Look at that, and it's April, so that probably is severe weather right there. Probably some pretty strong storms. Let's take a look at the Cape. Yeah, its Cape is pretty high for not really that high. First time here it's about 1,000 to 1,500, almost 2,000 in southern Florida. So yeah, that'll wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe. I'll probably have some storm chasing videos out in Roblox or my storm chasing game later. But yes, peace out.